Hi everyone, I'm Brian Hicks with Northern Utah Property Management and Real Estate. If you're a landlord, understanding the eviction process is critical in protecting your rental property. Evictions are never easy, and if handled incorrectly, can lead to legal troubles and major financial losses. Today I'll explain the eviction process in the state of Utah so you'll know what to expect. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe for future landlord tips. There are multiple reasons why you may want to evict your tenant. The most common reasons are the tenant's not paying rent or they have an unapproved animal. Once you've determined you want to evict your tenant, you'll need to serve a 3 business day notice. Once you've served the notice, the tenant has 3 options. They can comply and pay the rent or have the animal move out, and then tenancy continues as normal. If they vacate, you'll have a few laws to follow. One of them is storing their items for 15 days, and then you need to take them to civil court for collections. If they ignore you, you'll need to contact your attorney. Your attorney is then going to file with the courts. Then a constable will serve a notice of hearing. The tenant will have 2 options with that notice of hearing. They can respond to it. They have, I think it's 5 days to respond to that notice, or they can ignore it. If they ignore it, your attorney is going to file a default judgment. You'll obtain that judgment, you'll get a writ of restitution, and then you'll lock out the tenant and have to go to collections to collect any money from them. If they respond to the court's going to set a hearing. At that hearing, your attorney will have all the paperwork showing the tenant has an unapproved animal or they owe rent. You'll explain the case to the judge, and he'll rule whether you win the court case or not. If you don't, you'll have to go back and figure out a different way to evict the tenant. Most likely, if you have all paperwork in order, you'll win the eviction case. The judge will tell the tenant they have 3 or 4 days to move out, and if they don't move out, worst case scenario, you have to go with the constable, and the constable will make them move out, and you change the locks, and then you take back possession of your property. One of the best ways to avoid evictions is to hire a professional property management company. We here at Northern Utah Property Management and Real Estate thoroughly screen our tenants, enforce these terms, and collect rents on your behalf. That way you can avoid legal hassles and late payments. If you want to reduce the risk of evictions and have a stress-free rental experience, feel free to reach out to us. Eviction laws vary by state. Always contact a legal expert for advice. This video has been for general information purposes only. Eviction should be a last resort. Having a strong lease and thorough tenant screening will help you avoid evictions. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for future management tips.